Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to change your either your Lexus GX470 or your IS300, the IS350. So there's a battery cover, you need to remove it real quick. There are two of the tiny Phillips screws. I'll tell you to unscrew the main cover for the key. So you gotta remove the cover and then pry out open. The battery that uses for this remote is the CR1616, and then this is the Energizer coin battery. I got out on the eBay, so you need to just slip it in there and then test it out and make sure it works. There's a rubber seal, make sure you put it back around the cover, and then you just put those two of those tiny Phillips screw in there, and then that's it. So this is just a really quick short video on how to change your battery. So you can get those battery on the eBay for cheap. I think I purchased 5 of those batteries for only $3 and something, less than $4 with tax and everything. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.